Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the last puzzle in this puzzle page of Saturday, June the 10th, 2023. It's actually today Sunday, and Sunday. In this weekend edition, we have no additional for the Sunday, so the rest of the puzzle I will solve in the puzzle page, and I've already solved the first one, the Sudoku with 2 stars. The second one will be the binary puzzle, and later on I will solve the rest of the puzzles of the Friday edition, Friday, June the 9th. And in the evening I will do the samurai Sudoku. But let me continue with this one. Boys and girls, number 6576. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 28 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 10 by 10. Yeah, that means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 ones comes in O. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes in O. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. And now we have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Then. Let me think. Yeah. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So that box should be an O then. Okay. 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, we have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 ones in a row in the first column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Yeah. Double one, here no, there no. We have here 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in the second row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Let me think. Well, between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one and the fifth one, so that box should be an O. Double O here, one there, one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, here, no, there, no. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rows. So this can mean, oh, this should be a 1. Double 1, here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5, the fifth one. Okay. Double 1, here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here, no, there, no. Double O, here, 1, there, 1. A double 1, here, no, there, no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. Between two ones comes in O. Double O, here, 1, there, 1. Finished in 6 minutes. Well. Quicker than the previous, the previous binary here. 6 minutes. We solve it again without comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other puzzles left in the Friday edition. So see you then. Bye bye for now.